Welcome everyone to Vested Interests. This is Shane back again for another stock pick of the day. Today we are going to take a look at Intel. It is Thursday, July 28th. I'm about to wrap up another month and we are wrapping up another week. I don't do stock pick of the day videos on Friday, so this will be the last one for the week. Market's not open on Saturday and Sunday, so not really a reason to do a stock pick of the day on a Friday when you can't buy anything on Saturday or Sunday. I will have my purchases for the week video on Sunday, and then I may push out my stocks to watch for August video on Saturday, since we will be entering into August on Monday, which will be the first, and that will be the first day of our next month. This year is really flying by. If you guys haven't done so already, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and drop a comment. Let me know what you think of the video. Let's jump right in and take a look at Intel. They are a chip manufacturer out of the information technology sector, and they make chips for everything: desktops, laptops, gaming, all their different platforms, all their different microchips, chips. They provide for different manufacturers. HP, I know, uses their chips in some of their computers. Almost every computer I've gotten for work always says Intel inside, which lets you know it's their chips on the inside. And if you want to know more about them, www.intel.com. They are building a new factory in Ohio. So I really like to support any company that is bringing manufacturing back to the States. Intel is doing just that. I believe they also have one in Arizona that they recently built, or maybe are still building. But again, if you want to know more about them, www.intel.com. Go check them out there. And as of their close of business, July 28th, they're down 1.17% on the day, closed out 39.71, and it looks like they are down significantly in the after hours as well. Now, this might not hold up going into tomorrow, but if it did, I may look to add to this position. I have already made my purchases for the week, but again, anytime I see a pullback, this would be over 10% or close to 10% here on a company that really nothing has changed from today. From yesterday to today, other than maybe the GDP numbers are out and they're finally admitting we are in a recession. I think I've mentioned it before. I believe we've been in a recession since 2019, but the actual definition of a recession is 2 consecutive quarters of negative GDP decline. So we're finally in that, according to the Fed. But if you listen to the Fed, you're in a recession for 6, 7, 8 months before they actually let you know you're in a recession. So I don't listen to the Fed. That's always backward looking, in my opinion. You need to be looking out into the future, not behind you. So again, I think we've been in recession since 2009, and it's just been propped up by stimulus money and low to no interest rates. Back to Intel. Get off the rambling, go back to Intel Corporation, ticker INTC, again in the information technology sector. Their 52-week range as low as $35.54, as high as $56.28, definitely closer to this 52-week low, especially if this holds up into the after hours and into tomorrow. Market cap of $162.374 billion, a beta of 0.67, so less volatile than the overall market, although it does look like they were pretty volatile today, and even more so in the after hours. A PE ratio of 6.60, very low PE ratio. A forward dividend of $1.46. Paid out quarterly, so divide by 4, that will give you your quarterly payouts, and a yield of 3.63%, which again, if this continues to decline, it would be a little higher than that, maybe creeping up on 4% now. Ex-dividend date, the next one is August 4th, 2022, and a 1-year target estimate, at least according to Yahoo Finance, where I pulled this information, of $48.88. Let's take a look at stockanalysis.com, and according to the 49 stock analysts they've had take a look at this, they call it a hold. They have a low estimate of $35.35, really getting close there in the after hours to that low now. That's down 10.97% from where it currently closed the day on July 28th. They have a average estimate of $51.42, so definitely speaks to some upside appreciation over the next year. If it happens to hit that $51.42, that would be a 29.51% upside. And if it hit the high, their high estimate of $77.70, that would be a 95.69% upside from where it currently sits. And part of that may be due to the recent bill passage where the government's going to help fund the new plant there in Ohio. Again, Always looking to support companies that are bringing manufacturing and doing manufacturing in the United States. Intel Corporation is doing just that. They are a huge chip manufacturer. I don't think they're going anywhere. One that's in my portfolio, full disclosure, I have well over 160 shares, on my way to 200 shares. And again, if it stays down here in this 36 or even drops lower and sets a new all-time high, or all-time low, I will be looking to add more to my position here. It is a company I think will do well in the long term. Well, that is Intel Corporation and the last stock pick of the day for this week. Again, July 28th, closing out another one. And next week, we are onto another month. Can't believe how fast this year is going. Hopefully, it's been a great year for you. I know it's been a pretty rough one in the market, and the inflation has been going crazy, but hopefully you're taking advantage and buying great companies at discounted prices. That's what it's all about. Don't quit investing in the market when things go on sale. Pick up those same companies that you were going to buy anyway at cheaper prices. It will increase your future returns and increase dividend yield as well. If you're into dividend companies, that's what we focus on this channel. And as always, appreciate you stopping by. If you haven't done so already, don't forget to show me some love. Hit that thumbs up, ring the notification bell. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Drop a comment down below. Let me know what you think about the video. Let me know, is Intel in your portfolio? Is it one you're watching? I do personally read and respond to the comments. I'm always interested to read your questions, suggestions for future topics, opinions, or constructive criticism. Drop it all down below in the comment section. And this is Shane signing off, wishing peace and prosperity to you and yours. And remember, financial security comes to those who take a vested interest. Hey, thanks for stopping by, and we'll see you in the next video. I'm not a financial advisor. Nothing in this presentation should be considered financial advice. I'm only sharing my opinion and investing journey for educational and entertainment purposes. Investing involves risk. You can't lose money. You should never invest any amount not comfortable losing. Always do your own research. Invest based on your situation, circumstances, and select criteria, or seek the advice of counsel of a certified financial advisor.